West to make it and rap before he speak. Bro, West Atlanta nigga grew up with this music that make me sick. Don't damn me, yo, your forces yellow and that shit look like your
to this family. And all of y'all new to the family, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Hit that like button right now. And turn on post notifications. So y'all can see by the title and thumbnail. Putting in the radio. Another one. This time, I'm just gonna do it all right here in the car. This is what you're gonna need right here. GM 1344. If Amazon lets me, I'll put it in the link in the description. And then you're gonna need GM K8504-13. This will be your dash kit right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this shit wired up first. Hopefully I got my tape on this motherfucker. It'll be a pretty simple install. Just match the same colors. Debating if I should show y'all everything or just fucking check y'all back in. I'll do a couple just to demonstrate. Then I'll check y'all back in. How I do it. Simple as that. You got the black with the purple wire. Right. Then you got the all purple. Then you go gray. Gray with the gray. Make sure you don't put the positive on the negative and negative on positive. The negative, which is the ground wire, will always have a black strip on it. Easy indicator. Alright, y'all, don't get confused. Yes, there will be wires that are not connected, like this blue one right here, which is the power antenna. I'm not using antenna. And then this orange, white, and black. This is the illumination. It's already gonna be illuminated, so you don't really need that. So tie these off, tape them up, whatever, just to get them out the way, like this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape these up, and then we'll get into dissecting the dash. All right, y'all. Everything taped off, everything capped off. You can see. So the ones that are going to be connected are shown here. Those are the only ones you're going to connect. White, gray, purple, yellow, green, black, red. That's it. Why they got so many pieces in this motherfucker, man? But it is. You gonna have to figure it out. Okay. So this snaps in here like so. Okay. And I believe it's either, you can use either or, right? But the way my shit's sitting, I'm definitely gonna have to use this one. They give you multiple options. That's what it is. Different bezels. But I'm for sure knowing I'm gonna need this one. And your little clips that you clip on the side, so you can screw it down. All right, bust that down. Yeah, so this is my first time ever doing it, but I know for a fact I'm gonna have to come right here, pop this off, right? Yeah, bear with me. First time doing this bit. Okay, so we got something plugged in the back right here. See that? Got a couple things plugged in back there. So let me grab a flat head. All right, so all I did was stick the flat head through the clips and it came right off. So make sure you plug these boys back in, because that controls, I believe, yep, your switch right there. I don't know what the other one controls, but okay. So here we are. These are the clips that I just showed y'all. These motherfuckers got 2 different bolts in here, so what the fuck? So we gotta do a Phillips here, and then I gotta do like a 7mm.
Somebody put the radio in.
See what we got back there. What is that? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Hold on, player. See, look what I just said. I said somebody had some shit ran and fucking, what? Are you serious? This is clearly aux cables and the remote wire, right? Oh yeah, somebody had a radio in here, boy. Let's see if I can find those in the back. Hold on, let's see. You want to press down the top part, it feels like. Yep, press that top part down right here. And antenna on the other side. Yeah, damn, that's clutch. Now I know that this shit already ran. So yeah, this shit's simple. I'm not gonna use this anymore. I'm not sure what this was for. It's probably like the door chime or something like that. But that doesn't matter now. So take your harness. Harness connected like so. And then, you know, this goes into the back side of the radio. So now what I need to do is figure out which one I'm gonna use. And I think I'm gonna use this one. So now put your little clips on the side. You want the clips that look familiar to what was on there, right? So I think it'd be these ones. Let's see. See that? You can't see. Clip right here. See what I'm saying? Boom. This is the exact one. You can see that. So, take that. Just like that. And that's how it's gonna fit in there. Before we tighten everything down, let's go ahead and turn it on, make sure everything works. On the new radios, oh shit, this one turned on by itself. I was gonna say you usually gotta hit the on button. Static. So that's working. Turn it back on. I don't wanna electrocute nothing. So just tighten everything back up.
right way. I'm trying to do this for the phone, so shut up. I want to hear. I'm going to get the phone. One. And two right here. Okay, switch it up one time. Like that.
Get your wires out the way. Push those boys back up in there. I'm doing it one hand, so bear with me. All right. Boom. Slap this guy up in there. And boom. Now she's not going nowhere. How you like me now? Ooh. All right, so now is the this. It's in the console. Come on. Back here. Plug these back in. So I'm missing something right here. There's supposed to be a button right here, but it still has the plug-in for it. So I was kind of confused of where the black one went, but the white one goes in the first hole. And then from there, just pop the bitch back in. All right, and we have a new radio. Cut this boy on for y'all real quick. I know my shit dusty. It's been sitting. I ain't been driving it since I put my Escalade out. So I can't find the station. This look like hell now because I ain't plugged my shit in. What's this shit called? I ain't put my antenna in. Y'all see we got it paired. Yes, sir. I don't have Snapchat or like a fucking thing I can play music on while recording. But y'all see it. Say my name right there. That's a good little, what you call it? Hold on, that's a good thumbnail. Get my thumbnail real quick. Thumbnail. Yeah, we still got door chime.